Cajun Tech Review, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to update everyone on my experiences with the Pixel 7a. I've been using the phone for about a month now, and I just wanted to update everyone on it. And what other way to do it but, you know, do a little car vlog and get it done. This is using the Pixel 7a rear camera. I'm shooting at 4K at 60 frames per second. So y'all let me know how everything looks. How does everything sound? Because this is a camera you get for this device. There's only a few things I dislike about this phone, or one problem that I'm really having about it, and one complaint, which I haven't seen many people complain about it. Maybe they just living with it. Maybe they don't want to discuss it. You know, some people get really quiet about Pixel devices because they don't want to hurt their chances of getting on Team Pixel. Shout out to Team Pixel, by the way. But the one biggest complaint I have is the battery life on this phone. I mentioned it in my week later, which was really almost a 2 week later video. The battery life has been probably the biggest disappointment. I can take this phone off at, like, say 6 o'clock in the morning. If I am off of work, or even if I look at my phone at work a little bit, by 7 o'clock, I'm at like 15% battery life. Now, I still get about 4 hours of screen on time, but I cannot make it through a day without charging it. I don't know if it's the chipset. I don't know if it's just the battery size. I don't know what it is, but I cannot get through a day with battery life for this phone. And I have uninstalled, no, I have, re-clear everything, factory reset the phone, downloaded all the apps myself, and I'm still getting the same type of battery life. I know y'all gonna say I have a bad phone or an issue with it. For me, the battery life has been the biggest disappointment on this phone. The second thing is the display. The display looks good though. I mean, don't get me wrong. It has good colors, especially for a 1080p panel. It just doesn't get as bright as I'm used to, and as, you know, as I would expect a phone on this price point to get. Like right now, I'm filming in my car and I'm having a hard time seeing what I'm filming on the viewfinder, and the brightness is pretty much all the way up there. You know, so those two things are really disappointing, but the battery life has been the biggest disappointment for me. If you have the phone, let me know if you're getting the same type of battery life, or do you have any issues with it. Please let me know. I haven't seen any videos on it, but I know my battery life is not the best on here. Now, overall, am I still enjoying the phone? Yes, I still use it every day. It has my main SIM card in it, and I'm using this as my daily driver every single day. And it's really good for the price point that you get. You get all the Google features that you look for, as far as the camera, the screen calling, hold my call, all the things that you expect from a Google phone, you get in a smaller package for a great price. So that's a good thing too. That is a really good thing, because someone doesn't have to spend $800 to get a Google, 7 Pro. They can get the 7a and get all the great experiences that, you want on a phone. You don't have to spend the $899 or $799, whatever the 7 Pro was. I don't know why a dump truck is moving slow, but it's causing everyone to go slower. But the 7a overall is great. The other thing I was going to say about disappointment, not disappointing, but I don't like the overall size of the phone. I like a bigger screen, bigger phones. But I mentioned that in the 1 week later video, so I don't, it's not a big deal breaker. The dual speakers on here sound really good. Watching YouTube, using the phone as an everyday phone. So if you are like me, like the text on your phone, make phone calls, speaker calls. The Bluetooth technology on here is great. Wi-Fi, all that. Using it as a phone every day, no issues, no complaints, no really drop calls. You know, some bad service with T-Mobile, but that's not the phone's fault. But, you know, definitely having the phone and using it every day has been great. Now, the cameras on here have been really good, impressive as far as the quality, getting the photos and the videos. I mean, it's just impressive. It's everything that you expect from a Pixel phone. If you want a telephoto lens, yeah, it does. You do not have a telephoto lens on here, but for me, that's okay. It has the ultra wide, which is good. But the cameras are probably, you know, the one thing that people will go for the Pixel 7a, which is great. Also, as far as, you know, upgrading, I think I mentioned this in the last video too. If you have the Pixel 6a, should you upgrade? And I'm gonna say yes, still to this day, it has some of the features that the 6a doesn't have. Better cameras, it has wireless charging on there, so it has better features than, say, the Pixel 6a. So if you want to upgrade, go for it. If you don't, then you don't have to either, but it's your money. You do what you want with it. Now, would I recommend this over, say, the Pixel 7? If you can find the Pixel 7 cheaper than this, then yeah, I mean, get the Pixel 7. But if you can't, Pixel 7a is a great device. Overall, I'm enjoying it. I don't want to make the video too long. It does seem like the camera is overheating in my window right now. It said it's overheating, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. It's about 8 minutes long, probably 7 minutes long. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments. Let's have a friendly discussion. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Listen to Baby Girl Rumble.